It was really wonderful being with you for a couple of years. I think I've been teaching to all of you. In fact, it gives me immense happiness when I think about my experience with you. And as a batch, I've seen you being very successful, and I wish you all the best for your corporate life. And more important is believe in yourself, which is going to be very helpful for you, rather than believing in others. Do believe your life is in your hands, rather than others are going to decide your life. My blessings are with you, and I wish everyone a great success. God bless you, and all the happiness in your life. Bye.
I wish them all the best and good luck.
Wish all of you all the best. Okay, I should be louder. Fine. Wish you all the best. See that you do well wherever you go. Okay, all the best.
Brighter future, better, good managers. All the best for your career. Right now, I won't ask you to read or study or be alert in the class. I'll ask you to take rest, enjoy. Life is very important for you. I know. So enjoy, keep going. Take care and forget us. Thank you.
Thank you for being with us for the past 2 years. All the best for your future, and please remember PSGIM always as alumnus you can contribute a lot. Come back to the institution whenever we call you as well as good luck.
My college days.
I think the time I had with this particular set was enjoyable, because especially this set had maximum number of finance students who opted for finance. So this particular group, most of them who are engineers who opted for finance. So in the beginning we had a problem in terms of their understanding the concept, but later we found that these people were the best in terms of analysis, in terms of doing the project. I wish them all the best in their future, because I think most of them will become a financial analyst or a business analyst in the future, because most of them have that particular potential in them. So I think I can expect from this particular group at least 10 to 15 business analysts from this group who will be in a big position in the near 4 to 5 years. All the best for the students for this batch.
I wish you all the best for your life and career. I too miss you all of you.